Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to withdraw Ethereum from the Exnova website. When you enter the website, you go to the pop-up section, click on Video Funds, enter your wallet address here, and then specify the amount you want to withdraw. For example, we want to withdraw $20, but please note that a 2% commission is taken, which means we need to withdraw $19, as $1 is considered the commission. After entering the information, you click on the Special Open button, and then your request is being processed, which you can see in this section. Friends, please note that to check your transaction history, you log into your account and click on Balance History. And in this section, you can see that our withdrawal is being processed. And friends, as you can see, our Ethereum withdrawal was successfully completed after 5 hours. Good luck.